up, and that Bentley GT, skirt, skirt, BB, girl, meet me in my bed. I'ma go down, grab them cheese on my ski, got me on repeat, just wanna freak me, girl, I know you ain't from around here. Shut up, make you easy. What up, easy. She gon' make me come.
Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe the night mood changes. Maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away. Maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason.
Hello Baby family, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a hair review on this hair. This hair is from Big Deal Hair Extension. It's actually a new brand that is out right now, and so far I love it. Okay, I love it. I have in my head two 14-inch bundles and a 14-inch closure frontal. I don't know what it's called. It's the one that goes like this. As you can see, I did dye my hair the red color. In the light, it's so gorgeous, like my natural hair. So when I first got it out the package, it was a dark brown. The hair was so soft, extremely soft. Like I could run through my hair and it was so soft. And the smell, let's not start on the smell. The smell was amazing. Girly type of perfume. Like the smell was awesome. It did not smell like it was from a factory. It didn't have a funk. I hate funky hair. The fact that it did come out smelling awesome was so great. So great. I'm 5'2", so this is where the 14 inches land, just like the back. That's where the 14 inches is. I only use 2 bundles in closure, so I'm a very tiny person, so this fits my head shape and my body shape a lot better than if I were to use 3 bundles. The link to this company's hair will be down below, but there is one thing. Right now the hair company is only selling virgin hair, but soon they will be dropping a website where they're gonna have Brazil. They will be dropping that soon. Washing was, it shedded a little bit with washing, more so when I combed the conditioner out. It was just literally like a teeny bit. It wasn't a lot, thank God. I will be doing a straightening test on this hair to see how it holds up when it is straightened. Off it back to its curly state. Alright guys, so right here is the hair, okay? This is what it looks like after I dyed it and washed it. So what people don't do, okay, I hate seeing this. So when people do the straightening test, they don't actually go through everything you're supposed to do for hair to straighten it. Like wash it, blow dry it, then straighten it. They just like, oh, let's do the straight test, and expect it to bounce back. No, you gotta straighten it right if you want it to bounce back. Probably run it underwater because I just made this extremely hard. Comb it like you would your own hair or hair you have in your head. Comb it. Blow dryer. Okay, I'm gonna straighten it on 330. This is what it looks like blow dried. It's about fully blow dried. Pretty sure I missed some kinks and crannies. Now we're gonna really straighten it. Okay, so I straightened most of it. I mean, I've got time to stress. Now that it's straight or semi-straight, the straight state looks okay. The ends are kind of so it goes back, and that's the regular state of events. So happy. I thought about straightening this hair. Oh my goodness, look guys, moisturizing. You guys are gonna see how I made these curls pop like this, pop, lock it, and drop it, and how I did this look. So with that being said, let's get on. Alright guys, I know I look a hot mess right now, but I want to moisturize this hair. This hair is so soft. I already laid the lace down. I did not dye my lace. I don't feel like doing all that. That was too much work. Pretty sure it's lifting on this side. I'm gonna grab the hair mousse. Time for the baby hairs because I'm not about to be sitting here looking ratchet. I got a little baby comb. This actually came with baby hairs. Alright, baby hairs are laid. I gotta figure out what I do with that part. I might have to wet that part again. Thank you for watching my hair video. Again, the link to this, or a link to the hair company, will be in the description down below because they have not actually put this one out yet. But the rest of the hair will be in the link below. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel down below.